Hi guys, I'm Stephen and welcome to Watch Out. This is a bit of a shout out asking for your help because whenever I've asked for your guys' help in the past before, you've come through, so I'm hoping you'll come through this time as well. What I want to do, I've got this case here. It's got this gorgeous Longines flagship automatic in it. Now, it's running quite well, so I'm disinclined to fiddle with the movement at the moment. But the crystal is quite knocked up, so it could use a new crystal. So what I need help with is how do I measure the crystal so I know what to buy to get the new one. So just to show you a few things about how this is kind of set up. I'll take this crystal out in a second, but there's like a gold coloured ring or brass ring or something, which is down here. And it's got like a little lip on it. Yeah, so see just there, see there's a lip. Now, I am pretty sure that the dial actually sits on that. Now, I managed to ruin a dial in a different movement, fortunately a cheap one, because I did attempt to replace the crystal, but in what I ended up putting in, this ring, the diameter was a little bit larger, and it allowed the dial to slip past that ring, which was catastrophic because the only way I could get it out, get the movement out, was brute force, which just ruined the dial. So that was the end of that dial. So I cannot afford to have that happen on this movement. So that dimension is critical. And just looking at the top side, so there is a bezel. I've got the bezel off at the moment, so that just goes over like that. But if we just take the glass out, just pop that out with my fingers, like so. So now we can see that, yeah, it's got this ring in it, and yeah, that's what the glass looks like. So I need to replace this. Now, I don't know whether this brass ring, I should be able to just pop this out. There we go. So that just pops out like that. So you can see that it does have a notch in it, and it springs in there. So that sits in there. So I need to know whether I order the crystal with the ring or without it. I suspect without, but I really don't know. And then, how do I work out how to order this? So if I get my digital caterpillars, so that looks like it's about 31.5 or thereabouts, something like that. Okay, so 31.5, sorry you're upside down, but it's the right way up for me. So that's 31.5. So if I measure the thickness with the verniers, that's about 1.55 is what the verniers say. It's probably closer to 1.5 than it is to 1.55, but that's that. And I think I should also be able to manage to measure the inside of this. So that measures about 30. So that's the inside wall to wall. It's about 30. And then I don't know whether this dimension is going to be helpful or not. Okay, so that's about 31.46. So that's where this sits in there, but with the spring ring obviously. And then height looks like it's about 3.5, 3.5. I'm not sure whether that's especially critical or not, but That's what I measure. So that's about all that I can think of measuring, guys. So yeah, I'd really appreciate your input as to how do I go about replacing this? How do I order the right part? Please leave your comments down below. Thanks so much for watching, and don't forget to watch out.